Hi everyone, welcome to Helical Insight training videos.
In this training video, we are going to cover the properties of pie chart and donut chart. We have already created a pie chart and enabled data labels. This is required in order to apply one of the property. Go to properties, select radial. Here we can see two properties, show label and show title. Label is showing actual values. If we enable this property, click on apply, it shows percentages. This property is applicable on donut chart also. Coming to second property, show title. This property works on type chart donut. Let me enable this property. Title. Let me provide title as travel cost. Here prefix type. Prefix type can be provided in four ways. Select static value URL SVG. Let me select first one. Select. In this, click on prefix. Here it shows inbuilt icons list. We can select required icon. Let me select some icon. Click on apply. Here we can see prefix is added whatever the icon have selected from the drop down and showing the value. So this property enables title inside the donut. Let me explain other prefix type values also. Static, we provide static, we can use some static value, say prefix as dollar. Here we can see dollar is applied. Third one is URL. Just I have taken some random image URL. Let me click on apply. Here we can see next one is SVG. I have created one sample SVG. So let me click on apply. Here we can see SVG is added as prefix. So the position size can be adjusted in the SVG. Same things can be applicable for suffix also. Starting from 6.0 onwards, few new properties has been introduced in radial property. Those are arc legend, arc value, chart type. Let me explain these properties one by one. Arc legend, if we enable arc legend property, legend value will display on the chart. Arc value, if we enable arc value, it displays the value along with legend. We can enable these two properties at a time or individually also. In chart type, if we click on this, we can see other charts also. Rows chart, radial bar chart. So by default it generates arc chart. In order to use this property to generate those two charts, we have to switch the category to chart. Currently it is in grid chart. We have to switch this to chart category arc chart. Now go to radial properties. In order to generate rows chart, we require dimension to be present in the columns. Let me change the chart category. Click on apply. We can see rows chart is generated. Let me change this to radial bar chart. Here we can see this is radial bar chart. So this is all about radial properties. Thank you.
Congratulations, you're one step closer in becoming Helical Insight expert.